suite. Guys, already yesterday we discussed the Selenium features. Once again, the same features I'm repeating, guys. Very first point, Selenium as open source. Open source means nothing but free of cost. And second one, Selenium is not single tool. It is a combination of four components are there, such as Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. But out of four components, 80 to 90% we have to work with more advanced and powerful component as WebDriver, and it's a functional testing tool. Automation tools are functional testing tools and non-functional testing tools. Selenium is a functional testing tools. It is used to perform regression testing, and it's automate web browser application. Yes, already yesterday I explained, guys, two types of applications are there: web browser application and desktop applications. But Selenium exclusively developed to automate web browser application, and as well as it support number of operating systems, platforms, nothing but call as Windows, Linux, Mac, like that, and as well as it support number of browsers. It support number of browsers. What are the browsers it will be support? IE browser, Firefox, Opera, Chrome, like that, Safari, almost all browsers, and as well as it support number of languages. What are the languages, guys? Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, PHP, like that. It support number of languages. Everyone, are you clear my point? It support what? Number of languages. Once again, it support number of operating systems. It support number of browsers, and as well as it support number of languages. This is Selenium features. Already yesterday we discussed. Once again, what are the Selenium features? Very first point, it is a open source, nothing but free of cost. Not only big size company, small size company also they able to use Selenium. Only this is a reason. And second one, it is not called automation tool because, yes, it's not called automation tool because it is a combination of four components. So it's called automation suite, such as IDE, RC, WebDriver, and as well as Grid. And it is a functional testing tool used to perform regression testing. Selenium used to perform regression testing, and it is exclusively to automate only web browser applications. Two types of applications are there, such as web browser applications and desktop applications. Selenium exclusively automate web browser applications, and it support number of operating systems, it support number of browsers, and it support number of languages. When compared to all tool, the two open source, this kind of features only one tool in the market, only one tool in the automation industry as a Selenium tool. That's what 80 to 90% of automation companies, automation engineers, they're using Selenium tool on project. To implement automation, they're using Selenium tool. Everyone, I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes, yes, I hope you understood, guys, up to here. And today, before go to the next topic, first few minutes, let's discuss about history of Selenium. Guys, history of Selenium means who is developed the Selenium, And what is the purpose of all components? Just discuss first. Then we can go for one by one component. First of all, the main thing, Selenium 4 components are there, such as Selenium IDE and Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver and Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. This is a combination of 4 components are there. And already I told you that out of 4 components, 80 to 90% we should work with most powerful component as Selenium WebDriver. Okay, guys, now who's developer Selenium, guys? Any idea? Selenium developed by who's developed the Selenium? Any idea? Either right or wrong, no problem, guys. Give me your answer in the chat box. Who's developer Selenium? Don't say OnlineITvidhya, okay? Yes. So give me your answer in the chat box. Either right or wrong, not a problem. Who's developer Selenium? No Satish, no Dheeraj. Okay, guys, I'll explain, guys. Selenium.
Jason Huggins.
Yes, I'll explain here, guys. And if you search the same word in Google, you can find out the one word as Selenium developed by ThoughtWorks engineers. ThoughtWorks engineers. But I'll not agree for this word. Yes, Selenium is not developed by, guys, Selenium is not developed by ThoughtWorks company. Actually, if you search in the Google, same word, Selenium developed by, you can find out the answer. Most of the answers as ThoughtWorks company. But actually, Selenium is not developed by ThoughtWorks company, developed by ThoughtWorks engineers. Then you have one doubt. If ThoughtWorks engineers developed, of course, credit goes to ThoughtWorks company, na? No. That's what, try to understand here what happened. 2004 at the time, guys, 2004 at the time, ThoughtWorks company, engineer called Jason Huggins. Yes, Jason Huggins, he is an engineer at ThoughtWorks company. Yes, he is an engineer at ThoughtWorks company. And he was developer, not testing engineer, okay? And developer, he developed one small web browser application. After to automate web browser application, everyone, he developed one web browser application. To automate web browser application, he created small server. Yes, he created one small extension and he created one small Java code called as Java Script Test Runner, later renamed as Selenium Core. Once again, guys, everyone, 2004 at the time, Jason Huggins, he is from ThoughtWorks company. He developed one web browser application. He developed one web browser application. To automate web browser application, he created one small Java script. Yes, he created, everyone, he created one small JavaScript to automate web browser application. The JavaScript name called as Selenium Core. So it is a first component in Selenium as a Selenium Core. Guys, Selenium Core means there is no any components, just for one small JavaScript to automate web browser applications, which is developed by Jason Huggins. After 2004 at the time, everyone, I hope you understood, the first Selenium was created by Jason Huggins. He created one small web browser application. After, to automate web browser application, created small JavaScript test runner called as Selenium Core. Selenium Core means there is no components, only Selenium code. After same 2004 at the time, Shinya Kastani from Japan. He created one small, everyone, he created one small plugin into Firefox browser. Everyone, once again, Shinya Kastani, he created one small plugin into Firefox browser. To perform recording and playback on web browser application. Fine. Now everyone, Shinya Kastani, he created one small Shinya Kastani, he created Shinya Kastani, he created one small plugin into Firefox browser. The plugin or extension nothing but call as Selenium IDE. First call as only IDE. Once again, guys, another engineer from Japan. He is not from ThoughtWorks company. Shinya Kastani from the Japan. Everyone, Shinya Kastani from the Japan. He created plugin into Firefox browser. The plugin nothing but call as everyone. Plugin nothing but call as IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. The plugin used to automate, perform recording and playback. Yes, recording and playback on web browser applications. Recording and playback on web browser application. Once again, another engineer from the Japan named as Shinya Kastani. He created small plugin into Firefox browser. The plugin nothing but call as IDE. IDE used to perform recording and playback. Normally in our mobile, we can record video, we can record audio, and any number of times we can play. Same like that, everyone. Same like that. To record, yes, to record user actions on application, we can use Selenium IDE. And understand one point, 2004-2006 at the time, Shinya Kastani donated IDE to Selenium project. Yes, 2004-2006 at the time, Shinya Kastani donated IDE to Selenium project because of everyone, because of yes, because of IDE also to automate web browser and Selenium Core also to automate web browser. Both are to automate same web browsers. That's what Shinya Kastani decided to donate IDE to Selenium project. Then it is called Selenium IDE. The first only it was called IDE. After donated IDE to Selenium project, then it is called Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is not any tool. It is what? Plugin into Firefox browser. Use it to perform recording and playback on web browser applications. After Paul Hermann, everyone, Paul Hermann, he is from ThoughtWorks again. He created one small server. Yes, he created one small server to perform functional testings on web browser applications. Understand, guys? Once again, another ThoughtWorks engineer, Paul Hamant, he created server to perform functional testings on web browser. So the server nothing but call as RC. RC nothing but call as remote control. So the server is there in between the user and the browser. So user directly they're not able to perform operations. If they want to perform any operations, they can perform only by the help of server. So in between the user and browser, the server will be there. The server nothing but call as RC. So RC used to perform functional testings on web browser application. Yes. So RC will work like that. Are you able to see? In between the user and browser working as a server. So directly user cannot perform operations on browser. By the help of the server, any operation they can perform. So after everyone, Simon Stewart, Simon Stewart, Simon Stewart, he created collection of frameworks as a Selenium WebDriver. It is also automate web browsers. Yes, it is also automate what? Web browser. It is also used to perform functional testings on web browser application. Everyone, Selenium WebDriver is a collection of frameworks. Yes, Selenium WebDriver is a what? Collection of frameworks, and it is used to perform functional testings on web browser. Here identify one point, guys. The point is RC also used to perform functional testing. WebDriver also used to perform functional testing. But the difference is, observe, RC in between the browser and user, server required. But WebDriver without any server, directly user can perform operations on web browser applications. Understand, guys? User can perform operations on web browser applications. Once again, everyone, Selenium IDE developed by Paul Hermanth. It is a server to perform functional testings on web browser application, and it is a older version of Selenium. And Simon Stewart, he developed a collection of frameworks as a WebDriver, and the Selenium WebDriver used it to perform functional testings on web browser without any server, and it is a most powerful and advanced than RC. Are you clear my point? It is most powerful and advanced than RC. So next one and last component developed by Patrick Lightbody. Everyone, developed by what? Patrick Lightbody. And Selenium Grid. He is developed Selenium Grid. Everyone, it is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Once again, guys, Patrick Lightbody, he developed Selenium Grid, used to develop cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Nothing but at a time application to check by multiple browsers supporting or not, and multiple operating systems supporting or not. Everyone, once again, application to validate by multiple browsers supporting or not, multiple operating systems supporting or not, then yes, then we have to work on multiple browsers and multiple operating systems supporting or not, we can use Selenium Grid, which is developed by Patrick Lightbody. So nothing but call as cross browser and cross platform testing. Once again, everyone, now we are discussing very last component of Selenium as a Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid used to perform cross browser and cross platform testing, which is developed by Patrick Lightbody. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes, I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Guys, finally, you have to understand the mainly what is the purpose of four components. See, the first component IDE, recording and playback on web browser application. RC, functional testings on web browser with the help of server. and it is an older version of Selenium. And WebDriver, it is a collection of framework. It is also used to perform functional testings on web browser, and it is advanced than, yes, it is more advanced than Selenium. Next, Patrick Light Body. Everyone, Patrick Light Body, like Selenium Grid developed by Patrick Light Body, use it to perform cross browser and cross platform testing. And finally, 2008 at the time, everyone, finally 2008 at the time, whole Selenium team, yes, 2008 at the time, whole Selenium team decided RC merged with WebDriver. Yes, RC merged with WebDriver and released as Selenium 2.0. Now 3.0, 4.0 also there, but now we can work on latest version on Selenium WebDriver. Understand, guys? So at the time only Selenium 1.0 with only RC, but RC and WebDriver purpose are both. So 2008 at the time, entire the team decided RC merged with WebDriver. Yes, RC merged with WebDriver as a Selenium 2.0. Everyone, so this is history of Selenium. Once again, Selenium first introduced by Jason Huggins and Selenium IDE developed by Shania Castani. RC developed by Paul Amant. WebDriver developed by Simon Stewart. Selenium Grid developed by Patrick Lightbody. Everyone, the first of all, Selenium. Yes, the first of all, Selenium IDE. Purpose what? Recording and playback on web browser application. And RC used to perform on functional testing and by the help of server. WebDriver, it is a collection of frameworks and it is also used to perform functional testings on web browser, and it is more advanced and latest version of Selenium. And Patrick Lightbody, it is used to perform cross browser and cross platform testing. By using this multiple browsers and multiple operating system we can check. And finally RC merged with WebDriver, released as a Selenium 2.0. Everyone, now today onwards we can start working with one by one component. But one thing, guys, every component I'll explain, but 80 to 90% we should work with only what? Yes, WebDriver. 80 to 90% we have to work with WebDriver, but subject purpose, everything we have to learn. So from today onwards, first I will start IDE. IDE, out of 100% of the project, 5% also they are not using in the companies. But subject purpose you should learn. Interview time, interview point of view is important. That's what. First few days, first 3 days, 3 to 4 days, let's complete the IDE. Very small component, guys. After enter 30 to 40 days, we can work on WebDriver, RC with WebDriver. Then we can go for Grid. Okay, even live project also we can work with WebDriver. That is our main target. Okay, and today let's start Selenium IDE, very first component. Guys, interview time, whenever they're asking, explain about the Selenium components, we have to explain one line answers. What is that? IDE use it to recording and playback on web browser application. RC use it to perform functional testings on web browser through the server. WebDriver use it to perform functional testings on web browser without any server. Selenium Grid, it is used to automate, everyone, it is used to automate, yes, it is used to perform cross browser, cross platform testing. Names just for identification purpose, only purpose is important. And now today we can start very first component of Selenium as Selenium, everyone, as Selenium IDE. Everyone, once again, Selenium 4 components are there. Today we are starting very first component of Selenium as Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE. So what is the first component of Selenium IDE? What is the features of Selenium IDE? Try to understand. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Everyone, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Yes, Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shenia Castani. Yes, which is developed by Shenia Castani. And it is not any tool, it is a plugin. What is it? Plugin or extension into yes, Firefox browser and recently supporting Chrome browser also. It is not any tool, it is a plugin. I will show how the plugin will be there. Plugin means nothing but right side of the browsers we able to see now. Here some icons like that, guys. Yes, this is called extensions. This is called what? Extensions of the browser. Actually, up to few months back, it support only Firefox browser, but recently from the few months onwards, it's supporting Chrome browser also. So it is not any tool, it is a plugin or extension into Firefox or Chrome. Once again, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by everyone, which is developed by Shenia Castani, and it is a plugin and extension into Firefox browser. Yes, it is a plugin and extension into Firefox browser, and it supports two browsers such as Firefox and Chrome. Everyone, it supports two browsers such as Firefox and Chrome. And next point, it is used for smoke testing only. Smoke testing means what? Guys, smoke testing means nothing but checking basic functionalities of application. So by learning IDE, only basic functionalities of the project we can test. We're not able to automate entire project application. Everyone, once again, it is used to perform smoke testing. Guys, it is only for what? Smoke testing on the project. And by learning only IDE, we not able to test entire the project because IDE has more limitations. Yes, IDE has more limitations, only checking the basic functionality. And checking basic functionality in testing terminology called as smoke testing. Everyone, checking the basic functionality in testing terminology nothing but call as what? Smoke testing. Next one, everyone, next one, it is a while record, like it is used to perform recording and playback on web browser applications. Everyone, it is used to perform what? Recording and playback. So whatever the operations we are performing, for example, login, enter the email ID, enter the password I want to check, or register, enter first name, last name, like that. Whatever the operations we are performing on application, everything we can record by the help of Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Everyone, Selenium IDE used to perform recording and playback on web browser applications. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes. And next one, during recording and playback, everyone, during recording automatically, yes, automatically, yes, automatically our code will be generated. Are you clear my point, guys? Automatically, script or yes, actions will be created or generated. You no need to write any code. Whatever the actions I am performing, such as login actions, create account actions, everything will be recorded. After recording, if you want to converting into other languages also possible. We can convert, we can convert those actions or those test cases to other languages also, such as what to what? Java, Python, C sharp, Ruby, like that. We can converting into other languages also. Are you clear my point, guys? Java, JavaScript, Python, and we can converting into other languages also. Once again, guys, today we are starting very first component of Selenium as Selenium IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it is developed by Shinya Kastani from the Japan. Shinya Kastani from Japan, and it is not any tool. It is a plugin or extension into Firefox browser and Chrome browser, and it is used to perform only smoke testing, nothing but checking basic functionality. So by learning only Selenium IDE, you can't automate enter the project. Yes, we can't automate enter the project. And next, it is used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Of course, IDE, RC, WebDriver, Grid, everything exclusively to automate web browser. That's what Selenium also to automate web browser application. And during recording and playback, you no need write any code, guys. Automatically every action will be recorded, and after we can convert those records into other languages such as Java, Python, C sharp, etc. Understand, guys, up to here? Yes. After that, everyone, let us know how to download Selenium IDE. How to download Selenium IDE I will show, guys. But before download, I'll ask you one question, guys. It support two browsers only. What are the names of two browsers, everyone? So please give me your answer in the chat box. IDE, if you want to download, it support only two browsers. What are the names of two browsers? I need response from everyone, guys. I'm giving 1 minute time. Please respond everyone in the chat box. IDE support only two browsers. What are the names of two browsers? Please respond, everyone. Yes, very good, very good. Firefox and Chrome browsers only. Okay, Firefox and Chrome browsers only. Next one, everyone. Let me show, guys, how to download. If you want to download Selenium official website, seleniumhq.org. Yes. So let's open the browser, search for seleniumhq.org or selenium.dev. Anything guys? Seleniumhq.org or selenium.dev. Everyone. So this is official websites of the Selenium. Only from this we can download. Once again guys, I am showing, search for seleniumhq.org or selenium.dev. Here go to downloads. Everyone are able to see guys downloads option here. Yes, here are able to see guys download option. Yes, so here we have to click on downloads. Then it will be navigate to, yes, it will be navigate to download page. Are you able to see guys downloads page? Now we are in the download page. Here if you scroll down, you can find out the heading as Selenium IDE. Everyone are able to see? You can find out the heading as Selenium IDE. Under this two links we are able to see. If using the Firefox, you can click on this link. If using the Chrome, you can click on this link. So any one of the link you can use. Are you clear my point? So click on for Chrome. Yes, click on for Chrome. Then it will be navigate to, yes, it will be navigate to page. See guys, add to Chrome. Are you able to see guys right side add to Chrome option? Once again, everyone, in this page under the Selenium IDE, click on link depending on the browser. Click on the link depending on the browser. I am using the Chrome, so we have to click on for Chrome. We have to click on for Chrome. Then right side we can find out the word as add to Chrome. Everyone are you able to see guys right side add to Chrome option? Do one thing, I'll draw guys. Here the blue color, are you able to see guys add to Chrome? So we have to click on that button. Understand guys? We have to click on that button. Let me click on that button, add to Chrome. Then add extension. Yes, it's extension, add extension. Then after the few seconds we can see the message here as Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome browser. See guys, Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome browser. Are you able to see the message? After that means successfully plugin added. Everyone, once again navigation I am showing from starting onwards. Now I am showing the topic as how to download Selenium IDE plugin into browser. Okay, and it support only two browsers. Just now ask the question, you know that it support only Firefox and Chrome. It doesn't support any other browser. And let's navigate to seleniumhq.org or search for Selenium Dev. Here let's go to downloads. Under the downloads, if you scroll down, you can find out the heading as Selenium IDE. Under this heading, depending on the browser, we can click on either for Chrome or Firefox. But I'm using for Chrome, that's what. And in the right side, add to Chrome, already added. That's what now the option coming as remove. Understand? Add to Chrome, it will be add. Okay, after add, how to launch Selenium IDE. Everyone, I hope you understood how to launch. After yes, it will add as a extension into, yes, where Selenium IDE. It will add as a extension guys. Once again one student asking, please show once again last step. Not a problem, it will be repeat. Here let's go to the downloads, and if you scroll down, Under Selenium IDE, click on for the Chrome, then click on add to Chrome. Already added. Let's once remove and let me show once again. And again add to Chrome and add extension. After few seconds, we can find out the message as Selenium IDE successfully added. Yes, successfully added. Everyone, now, yes. So after that, let's double click on SE icon. Guys, let's double click on SE icon. Then are you able to see, guys, this is Selenium IDE icon. If you click on right side of the browser that icon, then IDE will be launched. Everyone, tomorrow I will show that, guys, Selenium IDE tool how to use. Understand, guys, how to use the tool? In tomorrow class I will show that. Yes, in tomorrow class I will show that. Any doubts, any questions, guys, up to here? Fine. I hope clear, guys. Now I want to ask questions, everyone. So my question is, today we are learning Selenium IDE, right? Selenium IDE purpose what? Selenium IDE purpose what? Yes, very good. Selenium IDE, the main purpose, smoke testing and also use it to perform recording and playback. Recording and playback. And one more question, guys. Selenium IDE developed by Selenium IDE developed by yes, yes, very good. Guys, Shania Kastani, not Shania, not Sania. It's a Senia. Senia, okay. Fine. Next question. Next question. WebDriver and RC. Which one is most powerful component, guys? WebDriver and RC. Which one is most powerful component? Yes. Yes. Exactly, guys. I need response from everyone. Yes, yes, exactly. Everyone. Next one. Yes, yes. WebDriver is most powerful. Which one use it to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing? Which one use it to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing? Yes. Which one use it to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing? Yes. Yes, Selenium Grid. Next one, Selenium IDE during recording and playback automatically script generated. Okay. But is it possible to converting into other languages IDE code? Is it possible to converting into other languages? Say yes or no. Yes, yes, very good. Yes, the answer is yes. Next question is next question is why Selenium was created by Jason, not Johnson. Jason. Yes, yes, Jason Huggins. Fine, everyone. Yesterday introduction part. Today history of Selenium and features of Selenium IDE we discuss. From tomorrow onwards, day 3 onwards, we can start working on live project like means IDE directly first of all. Guys, live project we can work with WebDriver, but next 2 days, from tomorrow onwards, next 2 days, how the IDE will be work, I will show that. Understand? Today, just a downloading part, I show that. From tomorrow onwards, how we have to work with that, I will show. And any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the chat box, guys. I'll wait. Every day after class, I'll wait few minutes. Yes, Dheeraj, after class every day within 1 or 2 hours you can get the recordings. No doubt at all. Every day you can get the recording, but after registration only you can get the recording every day. Please complete your registrations as soon as possible, guys, because Selenium we are accepting only few seats. We are not accepting the bulk of students. Yes, after completion of course, you can get the certificate from OnlineITvidhya. In Selenium Grid, use it to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Nothing but multiple browsers and multiple platform testing. Yes, Dheeraj, maybe within 1 or 2 days. No, Ankit, different. I will show that. Yes, Rakesh. RC stands for remote control. No, Satish, that one will be different. Yes. Yes, Danish, we can install Selenium IDE. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we can continue. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all. See you tomorrow. Same time, same link.